I'm gonna try buyo. Let's see if I get dizzy. And I can take a picture of them, yeah? With my red teeth. Yes. Salamat po. Yeah. Can you get the money? Okay.
Ano kakainin pag ano? O inumin o
Kakainin ko, nguyain ko ito.
Is it
Hindi,
good
ibig
with
sabihin, pag
alcohol?
mahido.
Is it good with beer?
Ha?
kailangan siya ng beer o
Hindi po kailangan mo.
ilang oras siya nahihilo?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay. Oh, and then
Ito
you
muna.
eat it?
Nguyain niya po yan.
You have to chew it.
Oh, this by itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
This?
Ah.
Yeah.
Ito, manito. Ito ka manito.
Ay.
You have
So
to
you try
chew
the
it.
whole thing? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hindi siya lulunukin.
Hindi po mo.
You don't need to swallow it. You have to just to chew.
Kunti lang para
Ano yung cream?
Shells po to ma'am na tinutunaw.
Shell.
Opo. Para mag Ako muna mag
Oh my gosh, si Kuya. Oh my gosh.
They're supposed to spit it out or no?
No, I think. Kailangan itapon?
Opo, yung dura po.
Ayun.
Pero yung bunga po, huwag po nila.
You don't need to
Oh, just laway. Laway, you can spit.
Oh. Just chew it. Yeah.
I feel like a real Filipino, you know?
Maganyan po yung dura niya ma'am.
Ano?
Pag kulay-pula po yung dura mo ma'am.
Your saliva will get red. Look at him.
And then you chew this one. Chew.
Tumula na po
I
ma'am.
will get red.
Kailangan. Magaway lang po. Magaway lang po ma'am. Ito po yung ano, yung palaging kinakain ng mga tagbanwa ng ano ko island.
Oh.
Patibay yan ang ipit po ma'am. Pagpatibay po ng ipit.
Make your teeth
Yan po yung pinaka-snacks nila ma'am. Yung mga
merienda.
tribo.
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am sir.
Huh?
Tapos nagapula po yung labi mo niyan ma'am. Pag
Look at
lagi
your
kang
lips,
kumakain.
you're getting red. Oh. Oh, look at your oh.
Hindi po ganun nakakailo yung ano na